Alright Belly, please do stay on with me. Now IMD senior scientist Anand Kumar has spoken on Cyclone Ditwah, explaining the likely impact of the cyclone. He has stated that today and tomorrow its impact will be seen in North Tamil Nadu and southern Andhra Pradesh. The wind, currently gusting at 90 km per hour, will slow down to 60 to 70 km per hour, after which heavy rainfall is expected. Listen in.
Today and as well as tomorrow, it will be impacting the North Tamil Nadu as well as South Andhra Pradesh. And this strong wind, now it is 80 kmph, gusting to 90 kmph, but it will gradually decrease. After some time, it will become 60 to 70. And then by evening time, it will become, it will be the squally wind, 50 to 60 kmph. But thereafter, it will be there, and the rainfall, mainly that extremely heavy rainfall will be there over Tamil Nadu, northern Tamil Nadu coastal belt, and heavy to very heavy rainfall will be there also south coastal AP area. आज तो शाम तक राहत की कोई गुंजाइश नहीं है, क्योंकि सिस्टम ये अलोंग दी कोस्ट नॉर्थ की तरफ बढ़ते रहेंगे और शाम तक चेन्नई के आसपास करीब 30 किलोमीटर समुंदर के अंदर रहेगा। सो बारिश लगातार आज पूरे दिन चलती रहेगी उधर। एंड साउथ कोस्टल एपी के कहे तो वो कल तक वहाँ बारिश होगी, और आसपास की जो थोड़ा सा इलाका रायलसीमा या तेलंगाना में, वहाँ भी एक दो डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में भारी वर्षा होने के।
Breaking news coming in, the Indian Met Department has issued an advisory. IMD has advised residents of coastal areas in Tamil Nadu and Puducherry to remain indoors, avoid coastal areas and follow local administration instructions. Moreover, fishermen have been warned not to venture into the sea along the affected coasts. Well, we're now seeing that IMD has issued an advisory wherein it has asked people living in the coastal areas to not venture out in light of the situation that is currently developing alongside the coastal areas.
Medha, so this is a kind of a sigh of relief within the India Meteorological Department that the Cyclone Ditwah is not actually going to make a landfall, and catastrophic effects such as we saw in Sri Lanka wouldn't be it wouldn't be similar to that, like when it is like heading towards Tamil Nadu's coast. But having now learnt about the trajectory of this cyclone, now the IMD officials are quite relieved and have a breather for some time, saying that a part of this cyclone would brush through the coastal areas. But having said that, they wouldn't want to take any chances, but they have issued advisories to the people living on the coastline, stating that they should remain indoors, and people who are traveling to avoid the coastlines, coastline travels, and also the fishermen in that area who have been not working over the past few days are again asked to wait until further notice from the district administrations to continue to venture into the seas, as the seas are it is it's basically rough conditions in the sea with heavy winds gusting, and if it doesn't show it on the land, but it doesn't mean that the sea is peaceful, but the conditions in the sea are very rough, and it's not at all advisable for fishermen to venture into the sea for their livelihood. So taking precautionary measures, the Indian Meteorological Department has issued advisories to people especially living on this coastline, Medha.
All right, Belly, thank you for sharing those details with us. With that, I sip into a short break. Thank you for watching.